Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Write in Canva. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on canva.com. I'm just going to use a simple presentation for this example. So to use the Magic Write tool in Canva, we just need to start by putting in some text onto this template. So just go over to the left-hand side, select the text button, and then add a text box. And then in here, you can just write anything. So I'm just going to say, play with my dog in a beach. Okay, and then what you want to do is then have the text actually highlighted, and then the Magic Write button will appear. So if you just select that, and then on here, we have different options that you can actually use. So you've got continue writing, to summarize, rewrite, make them more fun. So it can basically rewrite whatever you have written in the text box, and using its AI feature, it can then magically change it to whatever you want it to be. So if it was a longer sentence, you could obviously summarize it if you needed to, or if you just started a sentence, you could obviously tell it to continue writing to finish the sentence. So it's got quite a lot of capabilities. So on this one, we're just going to say continue writing. So here, if any pop-ups come up, you can just say to try it, because obviously it might be the first time that you're using it. Okay, so we'll just try it again, Magic Write, and then we're going to do continue writing. So what it normally does is when it then creates the words, it's going to actually overlay it onto your original sentence. So you can just move that, but let's just quickly see what it's written. So we've got, we run along the shoreline, the sun warming our backs as the waves crash against the sand, my dog's tail wags. So it's obviously talking about the beach and the fact that I play with my dog. So it's included all of that in its writing. So that's pretty cool, really. So if we try it again, and now we highlight the actual paragraph that it's generated for us and go back to Magic Write, and then if we select summarize, what that's going to do is then summarize that entire paragraph much shorter. So we could say jogging along the shore with my dog. So again, it's talking about the beach, the waves, laughter, and it's obviously still mentioning the dog. So it's pretty clever at how it can obviously manipulate the words that you've put in there. So it can change things and then obviously continue, make it longer, summarize it. It's a really good tool. So if we just have a look again, what other capabilities are available with Magic Write. So we keep highlighting what we just summarized, and now we're going to say rewrite. So let's see if it can change any of the words. And there we go, it's changed it again. So it's kept it still nice and short in the summary, but it's still rewritten it to change some of the words. Obviously you can edit them as well. So that's pretty cool. And then if we just highlight it again and see what the more fun tool does for it. So here it uses a lot more, by the looks of it, fun and happy words. So we've got furry pal, serenaded, that looked like it was different, bonding through fun, cuddles and things like that. So it's made it much more fun loving, creative. So if we try this sprinkle with fairy dust, we'll see it then just makes the entire paragraph, I think, just again a bit more fun and changes things a little bit more. So it's it's obviously generated using AI. So it's it's very cool, a feature for Canva to then obviously implement. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a nice quick overview of how to use Magic Write in Canva. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.